it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for Vlogmas Day 21. We're now legal. All right, 21, we're now legal, and this tip is to remember that age is just a number. Now, when I retired early, I was only about 50, so a lot of people are like, why are you retiring? You're too young to retire. Well, age is just a number. People may say, why did you wait till you were 74 to retire? Age is just a number. You have got to stop thinking, oh, I'm 57 or oh, I'm 62. And you've got to say, I'm not going to worry about my age. I'm just going to move forward into my future, into my retirement. Don't get stuck on your age. Don't let that hold you back. Don't let that be a reason not to live out your purpose. Don't let that be a reason to live the life that you need to live and you want to live. Don't let your age be a reason not to reinvent yourself. Don't let your age be a reason not to enrich your relationship. Don't let your age be a reason not to volunteer or get out of your comfort zone. Stop using your age as an excuse. You can do it. Age is just a number. Now, I know there may be some physical limitations. Let me tell you, I can't do things that I used to, and I'm still, quote, young, but don't let that be a reason not to do and live your best life after retirement. Age is just a number. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing with when you retire or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.